Hi, this is Michael from Page One Power. I'm launching a new video series called 90-Second Workshop. The idea is to show you real-world examples of real-world problems that brands are facing when it comes to their organic search, and then provide solutions to those problems so that you can apply them to your own SEO effort. For our first edition, we're going to be looking at PayCom.com. PayCom is a big brand in the HR payroll software space. You've maybe even seen their ads with Barbara Corcoran on Hulu. They put a huge amount of effort into creating content for their website and are obviously spending a large amount on their marketing initiatives. But is organic search performing as well as it can for PayCom? Let's investigate in this month's 90-second workshop. All right, so now that we're in front of the laptop, let's go ahead and pull them up in SEMrush. What we see here is it looks like they're getting 700,000 visitors a month from organic search. That looks great, right? Well, once we start to look at some of the keywords, we're seeing that a lot of the keywords driving traffic are keywords that have PayCom in it. So let's filter out branded searches, and we see that number drops to 9,000 visitors. That means that 97% of their traffic comes from branded search. If you don't already know who PayCom is to search them by name in Google, you're probably not going to find them in organic search. That is a huge problem for their brand. So to remedy this, let's see how other people in their industry are driving traffic. I was able to find Patriot Software by just Googling HR payroll software. They came up, and from there I looked at how they were driving traffic. I created these pivot tables in Excel, basically by exporting the SEMrush data. And as you can see, they're getting hundreds of thousands of visitors a month by creating this definitional, informational content for their audience. It's really successful strategy for them. So if I were Paycom.com, what I would do is I would take a step back, I would do some keyword research, some competitor research, see what's already working in your industry, see what people are using to drive traffic, and then take the positive cues from the work that they're doing and apply it to your own strategy. So that would be my next step for Paycom.com. As you can see, DA-wise, they're actually fairly on par. So they really could be competing, getting a lot more traffic with just a little bit better strategy on their content and doing some additional link building to support their website and grow its authority.